Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in today's video we are coming up with the latest update that we have for the campaign that we created last week. So let's start with the introduction that we are Adshot Media and we are certified Google Ads partner. You can see here is the Google partners directory, and if we go here you can find us in Google partner directory and you can see that we are Google partners. So start with the campaigns. We have created 3 campaigns, 1, 2 and 3. All of these 3 campaigns are flight booking campaigns. 2 of them are targeted in US region and 1 of them are targeted at UK region. Here is the 11th to 14th April status. We have got CPC like $1.81 and got 3 calls. In this campaign we spent it was started yesterday only, today is 15th, and got average CPC of 162 rupees, cost 650 rupees for one phone call, which is less than $10. And here it's 6 to 12th April, and this is another account. It got 36 click, 302 impressions, 173 CPC, and and we spent like 6,000 rupees and got almost like 6 to 7 calls, because here are the phone calls that is recorded through website or call extension, but the calls that come from pop-ups that doesn't get recorded in Google Ad dashboard. So actual call count can differ because of the same reason. Target is the travel agencies and travel packages here, so that this is the account that is running for UK geo target region. So we are targeting all kind of travel agency. There are all the search terms that we are getting. We are actually optimizing it, and as you can see that we have everything set up. These campaigns are fairly new, almost like less than 1 week old. So what to expect next? The thing is that most people don't understand that whenever they create or set up a new campaign in Google Ads, they expect result like instantly, which is a wrong practice. You should at least, for example, you create a campaign today, then you should wait at least for 14 days to let it understand your bid strategy, budget, and your search terms and keywords, and Google will try to bring as much as impressions and clicks to your campaign, because Google will try to show your ads and campaign along with your competitors, right? Will try and test it out that what's working for you or what's not. You may see fluctuations in cost per click, cost per lead, so you don't have to worry about that, because Google is trying to optimize your bids and budget accordingly, right? So what you have to do is, for example, in these cases, what we are doing is that we have just set up the campaign. All right, we will let it run for next 14 days without doing any major changes, so that Google will automatically try to adjust the bids, which will bring optimal cost per conversion, which will bring optimal results to your campaign. Example, if we go to this campaign and if we go to the first day of this, see, Google started with very low CPC. It's less than $1. So Google found that this low CPC is not working for this campaign. So in next day, Google tried to increase the CPC, and you can see that when the CPC got increased, we got 2 phone calls here. So all you have to do is that let Google do its work for the next 14 days. And all you have to do is just sit and have a look at your search terms, and every 72 hours you have to update your search term. That's all you have to do nothing else. All right, that's the I'm spilling the beans that how you can manage any type of campaign in Google Ads. That's a key metric. You don't have to make bulk changes in first 14 days of any campaign. Just focus on the negative keywords and let Google do its job. And let's talk about the bid strategy. So whenever you're starting a new campaign, all you have to select is either maximize clicks or manual CPC. That's all you have to select for any type of campaign. Usually if you want quick results, then manual CPC will do a really good job. Otherwise, you can go for maximize click as well with cap limit, so that your cost per click doesn't go higher than whatever your cap limit is. This is the overall campaign overview for the campaigns that we created last week. And now let's talk about the landing page. Here is a sample landing page. This is how basic landing page should look like. If you are worried about the what type of landing page works on exactly what type of landing pages work on Google Ad, then you can contact us as well for that, because all these campaigns that we are running have the landing page that created by us. So because we have been working in Google Ads since 2016, so we know what kind of landing page works and what doesn't work, because sometimes people clone the template, sometimes people use the pre-made templates, and then their accounts get suspended. So we don't do that. We have all the resources so that we create the landing page which is both user and Google Ads policy friendly. If you are looking for landing page service as well, then you can contact us. You can email us, or you can WhatsApp on the number given in the description. We can get your landing page created for any niche that you want to run on Google Ads. And if you are looking for these kind of results and experienced Google Ads partner, then we are the one, because we are the official Google partners. If you need our help in creating your campaign, managing your campaign, then we can do that. All you have to do is schedule a free 30-minute meeting with us. Link is in the description, and you can schedule a meeting from there. Then we can talk about your business and how we can help you in managing your Google Ads and bringing optimal results. Additionally, you can follow Adshot Media on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Also, you can visit our website, which is www.adshotmedia.com. That was a quick video, guys, and I hope you liked the video, and we will come up with another case study in next video. Till then, take care, have a great day, bye bye.